Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So about this one, we can use about the limit 8 approach to positive infinity. And now we have the integration from 0 to 8. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of negative s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have the negative side, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here. And we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to 8, so we put the value of 8 gone here. And we have u equal to e to the power of negative 8. So number 0 we change by number 1. 8 we change by this one. This one we change by u square. E to the power of negative s. ds we change by negative du. So the integration of this one, we have negative arctan of u. And I will put the bounds from number 1 to e to the power of negative 8. So I will put this one gone here, number 1 gone here. And now we have like this. So this one we change by number 1 over e to the power of 8. So when I approach to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. And now we have like this. Now we calculate this one, and we have b over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.